Want to stay on top of your appointments in Calendly? In this video, I'll show you how to view and manage your calendar the right way so you never miss an event again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. When you log into Calendly, you'll land on the home page. This is your control center where you can access all the tools to manage your schedule. To view your calendar, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Availability. This is the section where you set and manage your schedule. Now, glance to the top right corner, you see an option called Calendar. Tap it and you'll be taken straight to the page where all your events and appointments are displayed in one place. Here, you'll notice daily, weekly or monthly views to help you manage your time better. The layout shows your active events, marked with times and colored blocks, giving you a clear snapshot of your commitments. This makes it easy to spot what's coming up and keep your schedule on track. Take a little time to explore this view. You'll find tools that let you switch perspectives, customize availability, and streamline your planning. Mastering this simple feature ensures you're always ready for what's ahead. That's how you can easily view your calendar in Calendly. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover other Calendly features.